This tutorial shows you how to locate all your saved credentials through the Credential Manager on your PC. First, click on the Start button at the bottom left of your screen. After that, type Control Panel in the search bar and press Enter to open it. From there, make sure your view is set to large icons or small icons so all the options are visible. At this point, scroll through and look for Credential Manager and click on it to open it. In the next step, you'll see two sections at the top: Web Credentials and Windows Credentials. Following this, tap on Web Credentials to see all the passwords saved from your web browser. Once done, click on any entry from the list to expand it and see the details. From here, click on Show next to the password field to reveal the saved password. At this stage, you may be prompted to enter your Windows PIN or account password to verify your identity before the password is displayed. After this, go back and tap on Windows Credentials to find passwords saved from apps and network connections on your PC. Finally, browse through the list and expand any entry the same way to view its saved credentials. And that's it. If this guide helped you find your saved passwords on Windows, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.